This repair video for the P219A error code is specifically tailored for Chevrolet's drivers. If your Chevrolet shows up P219A code, this is for you. It indicates that the air-to-fuel mixture in one part of your engine bank, isn't quite right either. It's running too lean or too rich. This imbalance can lead to performance issues and even engine damage if ignored. So what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common causes. Fuel system issues, vacuum leaks, exhaust leaks, faulty sensors, issues with the fuel system. Here are 3 simple DIY methods to fix the error code. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the mass sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAP sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. Method 3. Check the fuel injectors. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals and never use the old seats over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set. Otherwise, the engine will run unevenly. To prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it. So the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, Citroën, Chevrolet, Ford, Hyundai, Nissan, Peugeot, and Volkswagen vehicles. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.